I'm going to show you how to shop for bargains on Amazon. We're going to be shopping to get the absolute best out of Amazon. I've done this so I can get the free shipping, and it works here in Australia. Today, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways you can save money on a purchase like this. The first way is to join the 30-day free trial so you get free shipping. The second way is to make use of this $10 credit that Amazon are offering on some items. I used to be a clothing manufacturer, so buying more for less was a must. So I'm going to show you how to compare prices to get the best price for more items in the pack. Example, a pack of 30 versus a pack of 50. I just made a video on how I organise my papers to make ephemera and pages for my junk journals. While I was researching these packs, I found out that the 12 packs cost as much as the 30 packs. If you only want to get, say, 4, just go to Big W or Prices Plus or anywhere where you can buy a small amount, like a pack of 4, if you can find them. We'll look at the pack of 30 first. One pack of 30 costs $26.99. If you just went in and signed up for Prime, you get free shipping. They work out to be 90 cents each. Now we'll look at this pack here. This is a totally different shop. They're 50 pieces to a pack. They cost $52.95. You get Prime free shipping. They work out to be $1.09 each. Coming back to the seller that's selling the packs of 30. Now this part is where I'm going to show you how you can get them for 73 cents each. If you notice here, if you buy off them, they'll give you $10 credit. But what you've got to do when you see things like this, it doesn't matter where you're shopping, you've got to look at the conditions. And when you click on the terms and conditions, it tells you that you've got to spend $39. So you do not get this $10 credit unless you spend $39. If you come back now and look at the packet of 30, their value is only $26.99. So if you put this in your cart and you go to check out, you'll go, where's my $10 credit? It's not working. It won't work because you haven't met the requirements. If you buy 2 packets, that will tally up to $53.98. Then you'll be eligible to get your $10 credit. That brings back the total cost for 60 pieces to $43.98, and it makes it 73 cents each. So that's what I'm buying today. I'm buying 2 packets of these 30 pieces. But there's a second catch. You can't do this on your desktop PC. You have to put the Amazon app on your phone and make this purchase through that app. You're only allowed to do this once. So I haven't bought anything on my phone app because I'm just not a phone user. I use my desktop all the time. I'll swap over to the share screen now on my phone so you can see how to get and use the $10 credit to buy 2 30 packs of clear envelopes, or for that matter, anything you want to buy that has the $10 credit available and you spend the $39 to get it. Then I'm going to be able to come back and use my desktop the same as I normally would. Quick recap. Step 1. Click on the link below and join for your 30-day free trial. Step 2, load the Amazon app on your phone. Step 3, click on the link below to go straight to this pack of 30 clear envelopes. So just click on whatever it is you're going to buy and then scroll down until you see the add to cart and the other information above it. You'll see here that it's got the $10 offer. Write down the code somewhere, unless you've got a good memory. You'll need to use this at the checkout. And of course, it's always a good idea to check the terms and conditions. We already know the terms for this purchase is your minimum spend has to be $39. So it says the item is in stock. I'm just going to change my quantity here from 1 to 2 and then click on this orange button, buy now. Now where you see this yellow button, proceed to checkout, it's got 2 items, just click on that. You can see here they're still charging us the $53.98. So if you scroll down to here, it says gift cards and promotional codes. Just type that code in here and press enter or OK, whatever you've got. Now I'm coming back up to the top of my screen and it's changed from $53.98 down to $43.98. So you can see here my minus $10. And don't forget to come down here to this yellow button and click on place your order. Now that's a pretty good deal, especially if you're like me and you live in Australia, because Amazon Australia hasn't got all the things in here that you guys can get over on the USA Amazon. So a lot of the times they're sending it from USA and the shipping is just too expensive to be able to buy it. So being on Amazon Prime is a really good deal. Plus you get Prime Video, which is a lot cheaper than Netflix, like heaps cheaper. Well, that's how you get your discount for $10 plus your free shipping. So if you don't want to jump through all of these hoops and you just want to buy on Amazon as you normally do, either way, I've put the links in the description below for this pack of 30 and the pack of 50. I got 20 in this bucket and it's not near enough for me, but I've got lots of paper and ephemera to organise. I'll show you how much they hold. These are pretty flat and this one here has got a pretty skinny magazine in it. So they really are fairly roomy. This one here, I've put a real lot of stuff in it. They're not designed to hold anything really chunky, but you can use it like I have here. If you don't want 30 or 50 of these, you'll pay a lot more for less. Now let's look for more things to buy. Oh no, I've turned into my mother. Seriously? These are next on my wish list. Ciao for now.